Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to discuss about our advanced option strategy. So based on the option strategies, we are finding out a trade for a directional and non-directional. So based on the strategy, which we are filtering out stocks for that strategy. So we have always updating the data for the monthly basis, and for the month of May, the data is updated here, and it will be given access only for my student who are completed. This is for information and education purpose, not to provide any tips. So here all the 226 I think 216 stocks were mentioned here, and the data which we are finding out based on the calculation, so that we have plotted here. From this we have to filter out the stocks based on our logic. So here it is started by the A to Z. So whatever the stocks which we are expecting, there's some ranges based on the calculations, and if any the moment the range would happen, so we may be planning our strategy that may be ending with the profit. So there is a lot of strategies which you have learned on our paid session, and here, so how to filter, so what are the stocks having a good volatile. So we are always using a high volatile stocks, because in options premiums are more volatile in a high volatile stocks. So we have to find IV based. So a lot of stocks in this case, most of the stocks are not a liquid at the top in IV based INX, Wind, and TIT Grab, and Kalyan Jewelries. So if while it is an options, we need to check whether the options are liquid or not. So here we to find out, and one more criteria which we have filtered based on IVP. So IV percentile. So a lot of stocks showing you more IVP. So we have almost 60 plus stocks. So why this more IVP is right now? So the result season, the quarterly result is going to be announced. Some stocks, maybe the expected volatility on a particular stock should be slightly higher in level. So why that would be reflected on IV as well as IVP. So that's the reason. So we have seen a lot of stocks which is showing you the high IVP. So because of the result season. So while we have to compare that IVP also, and the IVR, the rank of that IVP and the IV which will be mentioned in the IVR. So based on this combined collections, we to try to find out some stocks uh, for the monthly positional non-directional strategy like strangle, straddle. So a lot of strategies are available. So we do find the stocks for the strategy. It's not for the stock which any all the stock will not be suitable for all the strategy, but we have to find, we already know the strategy, and we do find out the stock for the strategy that will be work better. So here a lot of stocks we are finding out. Even we will be finding the strike based on the expected profit factors also. These are all base calculation. So based on the calculation, we finding out the opportunities from the stocks. So I know the student who know well how to select the stocks based on these four conditions. So among after that, if you are looking at all the four factors, we do find out 3 to 5 stocks. That's good enough for a month. We are not going to track all the stocks for a month. So based on the filtration, so we will try to find out. And this is what month of May. So already updated 2 days back, and now just posting the video. All the data would be a static data. We are not going to change any data here in between any of the month. This is what a static data. Based on this data, we will be look for the next 1 month, that is May contract. We are going to just check whether good for positional or not. Okay, this is what a data feed which you have updated. And last month also, we have updated a lot of stocks from in based on the same filtration. So I'll be seeing the Tata Elxsi, Indusind Bank, lot of stocks which came into the scanner. And this is what I expected level. I seen I shown a lot of stocks already triggered this particular the levels. So based on that, we will be achieving some good movement based on the strategical point. So the same concept which we are using our Google sheet, that is what Google Sheet that act as a scanner for positional. And the same also updated here. This is what an update, and as of now, so only one stock, that is what in yesterday's movement, JSW, maybe it triggers our breakout point, or it triggers our breakout level, and now it is almost 9% higher. But as of now, so we don't get any stock which triggers our breakout level based on the concept. This is what a directional move based on the strategy which we can implement it. So there is no stocks, only one. So maybe till this data is still available or still not changed till the end of May. Okay, so this is what a static here also, but the level, the prices are dynamic that can be updated here, but the levels and points where we are finding out based on the logic and based on the advanced option strategy concept. So this would be not be changed, and we will be trying to find out some opportunities from our sheet that is going to give you some analysis or try to find stocks from this list. So this is also not going to change, and this is a weekly. Already 1 week is gone, so the first week of May, so we have some more stocks is more, and it is going to updated every week while and we will find out weekly opportunity. Hope you find intraday also, but right now we are not giving you the sheet uh, subscription basis, but only for student maybe they can access. So this is what scanner for the tool, which helping you to find out opportunities which breaks on any stocks, or it meets our conditions on our strategical point. So a lot of strategy we are using for a directional as well as non-directional, and this is what the data where we can utilize for a selection of the stocks. Whether it you are going to apply any of the strategy from here, but is the main purpose of this sheet is for a selection, selecting stocks. It based on the screener or scanner for monthly positional. So we have a lot of tool which we giving you some good idea to find out stocks based on the scanners and screeners. So let me check on the end of the month. I made one more video how this tool will help us to find some stocks for good options in month of May. And this is what our scanner, live scanner, and this is what a static, and this is what a live scanner. And monthly basis also we are not going to change any. So you can apply any of our hedging strategy which we have mentioned or which you learned on our sessions. So until we to wait, and a lot of opportunities may came in this month. So thank you so much, and also you can apply any of the strategy from our strategy which you have learned, maybe directional or non-directional, which we can apply. So uh, let me try, and we'll check it how it works for the month of May. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. If you want to learn more about our advanced option strategy, just ping me a number shown on this video itself. So you can WhatsApp me and get more detail about the course. And thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And the update is done for me, and you can track. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.